Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Sorry, now I will explain to you about how to get the simple tooth stick in the your garden. Okay, sometime we eat, but we get the little food, little meat or another. It's get it in your cap of your teeth, and you difficult to take out it. And I will explain to you how to take out it. This is one. You just get the grass, have a stick like this, and you can cut in here. For emergency, you can use your teeth like this, and you get the teeth stick to take out to remove your little foot in your cap of your teeth like this. Little foot is jigong in Indonesia. You can take out your jigong with this one stick, yeah, dongkrak, cokil gigi, okay, like this, yeah. All of grass that have a sticky like this, you can use as stick for your tooth. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.